I still can't believe our little boy has turned one. And to celebrate, we choose something simple yet unforgettable. 3 days on the road, chasing waves and soaking in every moment together as a family. Hello everyone, welcome to New Seed. If you are new here, I am Jyotsna and today I am sharing glimpses of our baby's first birthday trip. Our Neom turned 1 on July 4th and honestly, I can't believe how fast this year has flown by. I still remember holding him for the first time at 10 am last year and here we are already celebrating his first birthday. Every smile, every milestone has felt like a gift for me. This time, instead of a big party, we wanted something different, something just for us. Parties are lovely, but between planning, hosting, and managing everything, you hardly get to soak in the moment with your baby. And at one, they don't really enjoy the crowd anyway. So we decided to celebrate with an experience, fresh air, greenery, rain, sunlight, a little adventure at a hill station about 5 hours away from our home. We planned a 3-day trip and went along with one of our close friend couples, which made the journey safer and so much more fun. Neom's birthday fell on Friday this year, so the night before was all about packing and excitement. Our friends came home that evening so we could start early together. Somewhere in my heart, I knew this birthday had to be in the nature, quiet, green, and simple, and that's how the plan came alive. I had even packed a few decorative items and fairy lights, dreaming of setting them up once we reached. But I didn't expect the heavy rain and mist waiting for us. Prabhu warned me saying, I don't think we'll get a chance to do anything there, and he was right. But I didn't want the day to pass without one special moment. So just before midnight, we celebrated at home, hung the backdrop, switched on fairy lights, cut the cake my mom, brother and Neom's aunts had sent, and did a small aarti. We even video called our family for blessings. Looking back, I'm so glad we did this. The remaining moments will be shared in the next video. That's it for now. See you soon and take care.